Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer my website from Squarespace to Wix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, if you want, let's say if you want to transfer your Squarespace design, like your placement of the images, the titles, if you want to copy those designs, then what you can do is just simply head over to your settings on your Squarespace, and there you'll find an option that says import and export content. And once you tap on it here, you'll find that option to import and export content. Now once you do that, what you can do here is go back to the Wix, and then once you're inside there, here you can either just simply copy it, as there is no available option to transfer your design or website directly from Squarespace to Wix. You can go to the options and search for it, but you won't find an alternative solution for this option. So what you can do is just simply start creating your website from scratch on Wix, but you can still use the images by simply selecting import images or upload images. Now what about domain? You can connect your domain by simply going settings on your Wix page, and there you'll find an option that says connect a custom domain. So just simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here all you got to do is just enter in your domain name of your Squarespace, and if anyone or somebody hasn't taken it, you'll be able to purchase it and connect your Squarespace website to Wix. But there is no alternative solution to transfer the whole website from Squarespace to Wix, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.